Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook soba noodles at home, ensuring they are perfectly prepared and ready for your favorite dishes. We will start with selecting the right pot size, then move to boiling the water properly. Next, we will cover the precise cooking time for ideal tenderness. Finally, I will guide you through rinsing and serving suggestions, making your soba experience truly enjoyable. To begin, select a large pot, ideally one that can hold 4 quarts of water for every 8 ounces of soba noodles you plan to cook. Fill the pot generously with water and bring it to a vigorous, rolling boil over high heat. This ample water volume prevents the noodles from sticking together, ensuring each strand cooks perfectly and maintains its individual texture. Maintaining a strong boil is key for even cooking. Once your water is at a rolling boil, carefully add the soba noodles, fanning them out if they are bundled. Immediately stir them gently for about 30 seconds to prevent sticking. Continue cooking for exactly 3 to 5 minutes, or follow the specific time recommended on your noodle package. Ensure the water maintains a steady, vigorous boil, allowing the noodles to cook uniformly until al dente. As soon as your soba noodles are cooked, drain them immediately into a colander. Transfer them directly to a bowl filled with ice-cold water, or rinse them thoroughly under cold running water for at least 60 seconds. This critical step removes excess starch, halts the cooking process, and prevents the noodles from becoming sticky. It also gives them a wonderful, firm, and refreshing texture, especially for cold dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.